Hello everyone, how are you all today? This is Ashar Khan representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota, and today I'll be explaining to you the question answers of Class 9 Geography, Chapter 1. The name of the chapter is India, Size and Location. So let us begin. The first question says that the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the watches show the same time. How does this happen? Meaning, if you are standing in Arunachal Pradesh, you will experience the sunrise 2 hours earlier than the people who are living in Gujarat, but the watches will tell you the same time. Why? Let us discuss the answer now. So, the easternmost longitude of India, which lies in Arunachal Pradesh, is 97 degree 25 minutes east. The westernmost longitude of India in Gujarat is 68 degrees 7 minutes east. Thus, the longitudinal extent is about 30 degrees. It means there are 30 longitudes which pass from east to west throughout India. We already know that there is a time difference of 4 minutes between the two consecutive longitudes. So if we do the math, that means 30 longitudes multiplied by 4 minutes, which is 120 minutes or 2 hours. As a result, there is a time difference of 2 hours in local time between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. I hope you understood this. Let us move on to the next question now. Now, the central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. Why? The central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance because of these few points. First point, the trans-Indian Ocean routes connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia. Second point, the Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast and with the Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. Third point, no other country has such a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has. Fourth point, it is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which has given the name of an ocean after it. That is all. I hope you all learnt well. Thank you.